very warm welcome to each one of you to this highly anticipated press conference. Today marks a significant moment in our journey as we diverge a quantum leap that adds a feather to our international collaborations. As members of the media, you play a pivotal role in disseminating the information to the public, and we're honored to have you join us today and share this exciting announcement. Throughout our almost 100 years of history as GLS, innovation, integration, and students' benefit has been at the heart of everything we do. It is this relentless pursuit of excellence that has propelled us forward, driving us to push the boundaries of what is possible. Today, we are proud to unveil the culmination of two leading universities with shared values and commitment. What you are about to witness is not just a collaboration, it is a testament of our unwavering commitment to excellence and a relentless drive to make a positive impact on global education and learning. I request Dr. Chandni Kapadia ma'am, Executive Director, GLS University, to lay the ground for today's press conference and give us insight on the collaboration.
Today is a momentous occasion for GLS University as we proudly announce our collaboration with Leeds Beckett University, UK. A warm welcome to all the members of the press. Our chief guest, Mr. Manoj Soni, Chairman of UPSC, will be joining us a little bit later. We've just had the news that our guest of honor, Mr. Stephen Hinkling, Deputy High Commissioner to Gujarat and Rajasthan, won't be joining us because he's had an emergency in his home. So that's an unfortunate news that we've just received. Now, in no particular order, I would like to introduce our esteemed delegation from Leeds Beckett University. Dr. Akin Atoya, Dean of Built Environment, Engineering and Computing at LBU. Dr. George Lodofos, Dean of Leeds Business School at LBU. Mr. Dominic Ramsden, Quality Manager LBU. Even here, Ms. Dee Reed, Director of External Relations LBU. Ms. Jayashree Raghuram, Regional Head, South Asia LBU. Lord Alan Jones, Course Director, Built Environment, Engineering and Computing LBU. Ms. Julie Barnby, Director of Global Engagement, Leeds Business School. And of course, on the dais I have Sri Sudhir Nanavati sir. I know that he does not need an introduction, and I'm sure everybody knows him. It is absolutely wonderful to be sitting here and talking to you because it is such a momentous time for us. GLS is soon going to be 100 years old in 2027, and we were just discussing in the green room that Leeds Beckett University also has a rich history. They've completed 200 years back in the UK, and they've completed 20 years just yesterday, and for that there was a function that they had in Delhi. To talk a little bit about this initiative, it's strategically designed for students aspiring to experience UK education while enjoying the comforts of their home. Well, at least for the first year. Students can stay here and get the same education that they would be receiving in Leeds Beckett University, UK. Why are we doing this? It's because we feel that it's the need of the hour. This certainly has to be done. And after our success with the Australian University, UTS, I'm sure a lot of you know that we did a similar thing with Sydney, UTS University's 3.7 lakh rupees, 3.75 in the first year. Had they gone to Leeds Beckett, they would have been paying £15,000, 16 minus 1, so it would be £15,000, which is nearly 15 lakh rupees, a little bit above 15 lakh rupees. So they're saving a humongous amount. They're also going to be saving on their lodging and boarding. which is also nearly approximately 14 lakh of rupees. Then they have 1 lakh of compulsory that they have to pay for their insurance. It is a word that they use. So that's the huge USP of our partnership. The students in this collaborative program will also have the chance to receive scholarships. Then starting from the second year, they move to LBU England for further studies, and of course then they will pay their regular fees that is applicable. It's a win-win situation for everyone. They would be getting the benefits of international education right from here. Our dedicated staff members are continuously receiving guidance from the LBU staff, ensuring that our children study the same thing, our students study the same thing that they would be studying over there. This strategic collaboration not only places GLS University on the global education stage, but also fulfills the requirements of the National Education Policy 2020, fostering global education and partnerships, thereby shaping our students into global citizens. We express our deepest gratitude to the esteemed delegation that has come from Leeds Beckett University for placing their trust in us and providing us with this significant responsibility and opportunity. This collaboration marks us the beginning of a fruitful partnership, and we envision a future filled with more opportunities for our students to engage in enriching and transformative international academic experiences. Thank you all for your presence, and thank you for contributing significantly to the success of this collaboration. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am, for setting the stage. I now request Mr. Dominic Ramsden, the Head of Academic Quality Enhancement at Leeds Beckett University, to share his views on this collaboration.
Thank you very much, Marcy. Hopefully you can hear me okay. So I've been here for 3 days now, and what I've seen, along with my colleagues, has been an absolute dedication to student positive outcomes, student experience, students enjoying the study experience, enjoying the facilities and the support of some tremendous members of staff who dedicate themselves to making sure that the students have the best opportunities to learn and engage with each other. We've felt absolutely the family feeling that you have at this institution. I think from day one we heard that when we had our introductory meetings, that you work and study as a family, and we join that family now, and we feel like we're part of your community. And that's the important thing, I think, for us to demonstrate to your students, that when they come to Leeds, they will also be part of a community, and that community will only get bigger as our partnership grows and expands. So I think placing our trust in you to obviously hold the candle up for Leeds Beckett here in Ahmedabad is really important. I think our co-working and close collaboration will give the students a really excellent experience, both here and in Leeds, and it will give everybody really a sense of assurance that those students will have an excellent experience and get positive outcomes from their degree studies. So it's been a marvellous opportunity. It's my first visit to India, and I've been blown away by the hospitality and the kindness that everybody's showing. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Dominic Ramsden, and I assure you on behalf of GLS University that we'll be delivering more than the expectation. I'll now request Dr. Sudhir Nanavati, sir, President GLS University, to share his views on this collaboration.
Good evening to everyone. First of all, on behalf of GLS University, in my capacity as a president, and on my personal behalf, I welcome to all the guests who has come all the way from the Leeds Beckett University, UK, and visiting Ahmedabad. Some of them are coming for the first time. So welcome to this one of the finest city. You might have heard also that Ahmedabad is likely to be, and if luck favors, with our hard working and more particularly our leaders of the country that in 2036 Ahmedabad might be having and going to bid for Olympic. So that is the city where you have come, and if that happens in advance, on behalf of GLS and the city, I extend the invitation today itself that in those days once again we'll call you. With that, I'm slightly taking liberty of all my friends sitting here and some of them sitting there to start addressing more particularly press friends who have come and more particularly of Ahmedabad in vernacular language so that I can be more clear in expressing view and idea behind what this course is going to be, what this partnership and what this collaboration and why and what is the importance behind it, what are the advantages more particularly to the students, because this is happening for the first time in country after the new education policy 2020 is introduced, and that is one of the criteria in this new education policy. મિત્રો, એજ્યુકેશન 2020માં એક આઈડિયા આખો એવો હતો કે ફોરેન એજ્યુકેશન જે છે જે બહારની યુનિવર્સિટીમાં કોર્સ
It's a long-term relationship. We, and as an anchor university in the city, Leeds, we share values. We have common values in terms of what we share, and we realize that you support your local economy and you produce graduates that are able to work here, support your economy, develop the city, and that is what we do as well as a university. That shared value is going to be there. And also, when students come to us or our students come to you, the nature of work they do together, we have that experience in another country where we take our students from Leeds to that country and they work with their students. They do projects together. And it's about building long-term relationship as well. Imagine a student from here who graduates and somebody from Leeds or UK. They become good friends and they can develop into business, long-term relationship.
Yes.
So all those opportunities are available through this particular process. And we see this not as a short-term partnership. It's going to be a partnership that will grow into the future. That is what we are looking into. And I'm sure we are going to get there. We have that experience. Again, I mentioned shared value. We are going to be 100. We are 200 years. Imagine bringing those synergy together. It's wonderful for us to be able to achieve that. Sorry for my voice, I'm trying to...
No.
Can I add something else I think that is important? I think both universities are really focusing on providing excellent education, but for all. This is what makes a difference. This is the first opportunity that some of these students will have to study into excellent institutions, into different education systems, and have two families, and this is important. They will be able to reach out to GLS at any time during their studies and ask for help, support, advice for employability. They will come to UK and they will be working all the way through to find and secure employment, which then will be a springboard to a good career afterwards. So this makes it unique. And also, we've been working with collaborations with Dominic and other colleagues with a lot of different models. And I think that this is the first of this type of collaborations that we got, which I think is turning the page on what used to be the franchise agreements or what used to be the flying in, flying out agreement. This is the first of this type, and I think that it will be a great success and it will grow, and will go from strength to strength.
You say like entrance test? IELTS આપવી પડે જે ફોરેન જવા માટેની જરૂર, બાકી નહીં. આમાં ફેર એટલો જ છે કે જે પહેલા પાથવે હતો, જો આ કે પહેલી વખત સ્ટુડન્ટ જાય છે ફોરેન, કેટલા બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ, હજારો સ્ટુડન્ટ આપણા કેનેડા, ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા, યુકે બધે જાય છે. ફેર એટલો છે કે તે 12th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ પછી તરત જવું પડતું હતું. આ એક વર્ષ અહીંયા કરીને જવાનું છે, જેના ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ફાયદા તો બતાવ્યા. એ ઉપરાંત અહીંયા આગળ જેટલી તૈયાર થઈને જાય એટલે ત્યાં જતાની પહેલે જ દિવસથી આખું જુદું એટમોસ્ફિયર, એ આખું જુદું એન્વાયરમેન્ટ, જુદી જાતની ભણાવવાની સ્ટાઇલ, જુદી જાતના ક્લાસ ટીચર, મેથડ, મેનર્સ, આ બધું અહીંયા શીખીને જાય તો એ ફેર પડે. એ જ આખો આ નવી એજ્યુકેશન પોલિસીમાં આનો ફાયદો બતાવ્યો છે. એટલા માટે જ ત્યાંની યુનિવર્સિટી પણ કે એક વર્ષ અહીંયા તમે કરો, એ શું ભણ્યા હશે ત્યાંની જોડે જો કોર્સ જોડે મેચ ના થાય માટે એમનો કોર્સ જ અહીંયા ભણાવવાનો છે. દેટ ઇઝ ધ હોલ આઈડિયા બિહાઇન્ડ ઇટ.
Almost all over world, 4-year bachelor course આવે.
4 વર્ષમાં થઈ જાય. દેટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ અ ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ કોર્સ. આ જે આખી સિસ્ટમ છે 3 વર્ષનો કરો કે 4 વર્ષનો. આજે પણ 12th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ પછી અહીંયા આગળ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ BBA કરવું છે તો બિઝનેસ એડમિનિસ્ટ્રેશન જે ગ્રેજ્યુએશન લેવલ કહેવાય, એ 2 જાતના કોર્સ છે. 3 વર્ષનો વિચ ઇઝ નોન એઝ અ BBA ગ્રેજ્યુએશન, અને 4 વર્ષનો કોર્સ અહીંયા પણ પૂરો કરો તો એને BBA ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ કોર્સ કહેવાય છે. એટલે ત્યાર પછી જો માસ્ટર કોર્સમાં જવું હોય તો નવી એજ્યુકેશન પોલિસી પ્રમાણે 1 જ વર્ષ કરવું પડે. એટલે જે આખા જે વર્ષ ભણવાના છે એટલા જ રહે છે, એને બાયફર્કેટ કર્યા છે. એટલે જે ફોરેનમાં પણ છે જે 4 વર્ષ કરવાના હોય છે, ત્યાં પણ જો ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ કોર્સમાં જો એ દાખલ થશે તો એને અહીંયા આગળ 1 વર્ષ કર્યા પછી ત્યાં 3 વર્ષ કરવાના રહેશે.
સર આ લીડ્સ બેકેટ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં અત્યારે ઇન્ડિયન સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કેટલા છે અને ઇફ યુ હેવ બાયફિકેશન ફોર નંબર ઓફ
Okay,
સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ફ્રોમ
she is asking how many Indian students you are having at present in your university, approximately. Approximately 2,000
total number of students that you have currently?
in all type of courses together.
I mean 27 of them 2,000 are from India. સર કારણ કે આપણે ફેકલ્ટી ડેવલપમેન્ટનું હજી નક્કી નથી થયું કે ફેકલ્ટી ક્યાંથી આવશે કે
એવરી મંથ એમનું કોઈ ને કોઈ અહીંયા આવતું રહેશે.
એટલે આપણે આમાં 20ની ઇન્ટેક સામે કેટલા ફેકલ્ટી મેમ્બર લેવાના છે, ત્યાંથી કેટલા આવશે અને અહીંયાથી લઈશું તો એમને ઇન્ટરનેશનલ કરિક્યુલમમાં કેવી રીતે ટ્રેન કરવાની provision?
So faculty બધા હમારા જ હશે, but they will be trained આ લોકોના faculty થી, અને every month or every 2 months આ લોકોના અમારા faculty ની ટ્રેનિંગ ઓલરેડી સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગઈ છે, અને every month every 2 months કોઈક ને કોઈક ત્યાંથી અહીંયા આવતું રહેશે and train the trainer program કરીને which will be further given to our students. અને જે બી કોર્સ વર્ક હશે એ લોકોનું જ કોર્સ વર્ક છે, અમારું GLS નું કોર્સ વર્ક નથી. It's all LBU course work.
Is the collaboration is done for the graduation only, undergraduate, graduate only, or the masters also?
So right now it's only for bachelors,
Okay.
and we are talking to them.